All right, guys, this just arrived from Dynamics, and this is our all new project here. These are SS5s, and we're actually going to put it right there on top of our all new Turn off-road Hyperlight front bumper. I just finished unboxing it right now, and these are all the accessories and stuff that we have. And I am unboxing the SS5 right now, and we got the color amber to match our lights. And it also comes with free stickers too. Here is the universal bracket. We thought it was going to fit because we thought it was wide enough, which it is, but it's too flushed. So look at that. You could barely fit one. And you still have to put the SS5 lights right there. And if we went ahead and do that, look how wide that is. So we would have to think outside the box and do a little bit of customization. So for this design, we will not be needing this. Instead, we got our SS5 CROSSLINK hardware. And we also got our SS5 end mount kit. So these are the screws that it comes with. And I am now screwing it down right here in the side. I'm now using my Allen tool to tighten these screws here. So before you put in the CROSSLINK screws, they actually have these tiny screws that you put, and you can just put it right there in the middle. Okay, so here is our old SS5 lights, and we are now going to connect them together. I got the first two connected already, and look how stable that is. So the new one and the old one. Before I super tighten the screws, I gotta make sure that they are straight flat, because you could actually kind of curve them too, just like our light bar up there. So I'm making sure everything is straight, and once everything is straight, I can fully tighten them down. After straightening this out, I'm now going to install the CROSSLINK end mount kit. I'm now connecting the end links, and I'm using this big screw to put this through. So I use these small screws to tighten it or to screw it in there, and I'm using this to tighten it down. After connecting the end link mount, I am now connecting the bracket. So we finish making our markings here, and we're about to remove the bumper and see if it's going to affect the light bar. We remove the bumper again, and those are our custom brackets that we did for our fog lights, and so far everything's all good. And now it looks like there's actually space to drill and to place a screw. All right, we're drilling. There.
Right. Let's check with the bolt. Oh, it fits.
Flawless. So after finishing our holes, we are actually now going to tighten it. We actually saw these screws from our old Dynamics, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's crazy.
I know.
So here it is. It fits perfectly. I think this was from our original light bar up there, because we're not using it because we already are using the OEM Bronco screw for it. So here we are tightening it down. So we just finished putting the bumper back, and this is how it looks like with the brackets on it. We are all done, and this is how it looks like. Our all new SS5, 4 of them with the SS3 fog lights, all custom made. We just finished installing the skid plates, and this is how it looks like. We actually changed the screw gear to titanium, even the washers too. Right, so here is our old SS5 wiring when our old SS5 lights, the 2 of them, were hanging down here from the winch. We finished doing all the wiring, And there you go. It works. We wanted to finish this before Overland Expo. All right, everything works. You got the SS5 4 links, and you also got the fog lights. So everything is all good.
All right, guys.
All right, we are test driving our all new SS5 CROSSLINKs?
Yeah.
Or light bar in the
bar
front.
In the bumper.
Front bumper.
Yeah.
So far so good. We just finished going to the highway or freeway?
Yeah.
Freeway. It's still there. We haven't ran over it yet.
Yeah.
So it looks like our install is pretty solid.
Yeah.
And right now we're going to get some more ice cream.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go. Guys, so we are test driving it here at this shopping plaza. We're actually getting some ice cream right now to celebrate. And right now, this is how it looks like. Awesome. It is really cold right now, but for some reason we decided to get some ice cream. We're here at Handel's Ice Cream. I got me the ube ice cream and she got the dark chocolate. Okay, let's do this. All right, guys, we are all done setting up and cleaning. And we also got inspected too for our gas. And we had to disconnect our batteries. And this is our booth right here at the Radflow Shocks. It's truly an honor and a blessing, and we're very, very grateful. And this is us right here. And these are all of our neighbors so far. And right now, okay, what the heck was that?
I don't know.
Okay,
It's just our
alright,
phone.
okay.
Hey guys, we already set up. We clean up, wipe down, wax, and everything, and we are just here hanging out real quick. A lot of vendors are still setting up.